India is moving towards becoming a global leader in sustainable industrial development in energy, railways, roads, and pharma sectors. To make this vision tangible, the government is dedicating to the nation projects worth over 2 lakh rupees crore in Andhra Pradesh, spanning energy, railways, roads, infrastructure, and the pharmaceutical industry. Under this transformational initiative, the government is laying the foundation stone for the green hydrogen hub of NTPC Green Energy Limited at Pudimadaka near Visakhapatnam. The state-of-the-art project with an investment of Rs 185,000 crore spread over 1,600 acres. To power this green hydrogen hub, 20,000 megawatt renewable energy projects will be installed in Andhra Pradesh. These projects will create more than 57,000 jobs. This ambitious project will establish India as a global leader in the field of green hydrogen production. To enhance rail infrastructure, the foundation stone was laid for multiple railway projects valued at over 6,000 crore rupees. These include the South Coast Railway Headquarters, Guntur-Bibinagar doubling and electrification, and the doubling of Mahbubnagar-Dhone line. These projects will improve connectivity, reduce travel time, and boost regional trade. To boost regional connectivity, the foundation stone was laid and a total of 17 road projects worth over 7,500 crore rupees were inaugurated in Andhra Pradesh. Prominent among these projects are the upgradation of NH 440 from Vempalli to Chaglamari and the widening of NH 167 from Kondamodu to Perichala. These projects will improve connectivity and generate new employment opportunities in Andhra Pradesh. The foundation stone was laid for the bulk drug park at Nakkapalli in Anakapalli district. With an investment exceeding 1,800 crore rupees, this state-of-the-art facility is expected to lower production costs in India's pharmaceutical industry. To further advance modern industrial development, the foundation stone was laid for the Mega Smart City project, Krish City, in Tirupati district. This project, to be built with an investment of Rs 2,139 crore, is spread over an area of 2,500 acres in which the focus will be on food processing, textiles, auto parts, and electronics. This project will create more than 1 lakh jobs. These projects will shape the future of energy, industry, and infrastructure, generating numerous opportunities for growth and employment. These initiatives will make Andhra Pradesh a leader in sustainable development and industrial progress, paving the way for a green, prosperous, and developed India.